Swift Microwave Therapy for Skin. Infected tissue can exist several millimeters below the skin's surface. Swift delivers a precise, highly controlled energy dose that rapidly elevates tissue temperature and creates localized cell destruction. With no smoke or plume, Swift vastly reduces many of the hazards associated with other energy-based treatments. As microwave energy travels into the tissue, the water molecules try to align with the microwave field, causing them to collide and create friction. The heat generated quickly destroys all infected tissue and creates a highly accurate zone of treatment. In just seconds, the treatment is complete and the healing cascade begins immediately. Treated tissue is quickly repaired, replaced, and regenerated.